Hello students, welcome to Toppscholars. Today we are going to discuss about an interesting topic, and that is condition of formation of shadow and the difference between the shadow and images. So let's start with your first topic, that is shadow by pinhole camera. Now student, what do you understand by a shadow? So in simple words we can say that if an opaque object, now what is opaque object? Opaque object means an object through which the light cannot pass. For example, your body. A light cannot pass through the body. So such bodies are called as opaque object. So if an opaque object is placed in front of a point source of light, again point source of light means sunlight, tube light or a bulb, that can be considered as a point source of light. It blocks the passage of light and produces a dark patch. Have you ever observed that when you stand in front of a light, there's a black patch or a dark patch behind you? So exactly that dark patch. On the screen placed behind the object, this dark patch is called as the shadow. So students, you understood what is exactly a shadow. But now, what are the necessary requirements for the shadow? So basically there are three things which are required for a shadow. The first thing is a source of light. Source of light, again we know that what? A bulb, a tube light, a sunlight or a light emitted from a candle, that can also be considered as a source of light. An opaque object, now what is exactly opaque object? The object through which the light does not pass. And the last, a screen or a surface. Okay, the last one is the screen or surface behind the object. So these are the necessary requirements for a shadow.
To learn more about this topic, download Toppscholars app.